In this video, you'll learn how to use ClickUp for a content calendar so you can plan, organize, and track all your content in one place. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear, so by the end, you'll have a working content calendar you can start using right away. First, open ClickUp and head to the space or folder where you want your content calendar to live. This is important because it keeps your calendar organized and separated from unrelated work. Once you're in the right place, you're going to create a new list. A list in ClickUp is basically a container for all your related tasks, and in this case, each task will represent a piece of content like a blog post, video, email, or social media post. Create a new list and give it a clear name that makes sense to you, such as content calendar or marketing content schedule. Naming it well will make it easier to find and share with your team later. Now, instead of starting from scratch, you're going to use a content calendar template. ClickUp provides templates that already include useful fields and views, which can save you a lot of time. When you create the list, look for the option to use a template or browse templates. Search for content calendar in the template library. You should see a few variations, usually created for marketing or social media planning. Choose a content calendar template that matches how you work. For example, some templates focus heavily on social media platforms, while others are more general and can be used for blogs, newsletters, videos, and more. Once you've picked one, apply the template to your new list. ClickUp will automatically add pre-built views, statuses, and custom fields. After the template is applied, take a moment to explore what it gave you. You'll usually see a list view, maybe a calendar view, and sometimes a board view grouped by status. You'll also notice fields like content type, due date, assignee, and maybe platform or channel. These are there to help you track each piece of content from idea to publication. Next, customize the list so it fits your workflow. If there are fields you don't need, such as a platform you don't use, you can hide or remove them. If you're missing something important, like a field for target keywords, campaign name, or link to the draft, go ahead and add those as custom fields. This step makes the template truly yours and keeps your calendar relevant and easy to maintain. Now you're ready to start adding content. Create tasks for each piece of content you're planning. Give each task a clear title like blog, spring product launch, or Instagram reel behind the scenes. Set a due date for when the content should go live, and if you're working with a team, assign it to the person responsible for creating or publishing it. Use the calendar view to see your content laid out over days, weeks, or months. This helps you spot gaps, avoid publishing too much on the same day, and keep a consistent posting schedule. As you work, update the task statuses to reflect progress, such as idea, in progress, in review, and published. I'll show you the easiest way to stay on top of things. Make it a habit to check this list at the start of your day, adjust dates if priorities change, and keep all links, drafts, and notes inside each task. That way, your ClickUp content calendar becomes your single source of truth for everything you create.